Hey there, young adventurers! Welcome back to our awesome exploration channel, where we dive into the wonders of the animal kingdom. Today, we're heading beneath the waves to discover the elegant and majestic angelfish. Are you ready for an underwater adventure? Let's dive right in. Fun facts. Heavenly beauties, angelfish are like angels of the sea, with their graceful fins and vibrant colors. They come in a variety of hues, from shimmering silver to dazzling shades of blue, yellow, and orange. It's like having a rainbow swimming in your aquarium. Flippity-floppity fins. One of the most striking features of angelfish is their long, flowing fins that resemble delicate wings. Just like birds soaring through the sky, angelfish glide gracefully through the water, mesmerizing everyone with their elegant movements. Coral connoisseurs, angelfish love to explore coral reefs, darting in and out of the nooks and crannies of their vibrant underwater homes. They're like underwater explorers, always on the lookout for hidden treasures amidst the colorful coral. Family matters. These social fish are often found swimming in pairs or small groups, forming tight-knit families in the vast ocean. Just like how you love spending time with your family, angelfish feel happiest when they're surrounded by their loved ones. Mouthbreeders. Some species of angelfish, like the emperor angelfish, are dedicated parents. After laying their eggs, the male angelfish will scoop them up in his mouth to protect them from predators until they hatch. It's like having a built-in nursery right inside their mouths. Finicky eaters. Angelfish have a diverse diet, enjoying a variety of foods including algae, small crustaceans, and even some types of sponges. They're like gourmet chefs of the sea, always seeking out the tastiest treats to satisfy their appetites. Weren't those angelfish just the most magnificent creatures you've ever seen? With their elegant beauty, strong family bonds, and fascinating behaviors, they truly are wonders of the underwater world. We hope you enjoyed diving into the magical world of angelfish with us. Stay tuned for more fantastic animal adventures. Until next time, keep swimming, ocean explorers. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting updates on our expedition to the underwater world. Until we meet again, take care and bye.